Hey, Miss T Ideas. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you like anything you see, please hit the like, share, and subscribe. I'm on my way to 500, and please, I'm excited. Okay, this video here, I'm making faux leather. This is gonna be real short. I went in my kitchen and I remember my daughter had bought me some Church's chicken. I didn't know Church's had a brown bag. Look. And did the bag got handles? So you know what? I can make a journal. Use this as the outer pages. Like this. Take the grips and put it on each side. And hey, I can carry my stuff. Or I can use it as a folio, make pockets in it. I just didn't know Church's had a bag. I'm in a big bag too. Okay, this is not an advertisement for Church's. This just, I love brown paper bags. Alright. Miss T Ideas. See you next time with another video. Bye.